So, yes, we heard the news, and of course we had the discussions also with Prime Minister Shmyhal about this and asked, what do we know about this? Of course, it doesn't mean that the Chinese army is involved, but of course they can share the information that they know about this. What is clear is that China is the key enabler of Russia's war. Without Chinese support, Russia wouldn't be able to wage the war in the amount that they are waging this. So we see that 80% of the dual-use goods are actually entering Russia via China. We also see the North Korean troops present in Ukraine and the military equipment coming from North Korea to Ukraine, to Russia, and to fight the war against Ukraine. So it's clearly that if China would want to really stop the support, then it would have an impact.
Thank you.